Welcome back to Programmer YouTube channel. Today we are going to create report with the single parameter. Okay, so let me switch back to Visual Studio and explain you what I'm trying to say here. Okay, okay. So I have created one project here. Okay, also defined share data source. So and I have created one report, blank report here. Okay, so let's create the data set now. Okay, so in the set, we have to mention the query select star from product where. Now here we are going to add the where condition. Okay, where made country is equal to our parameter. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are mentioning our query, we are mentioning the where clause, and according to where clause we are defining our parameter. So this is a single parameter because we are using is equal sign, so we are going to pass single parameter to this query. So okay, let's check the fields, click on OK. Now, if you can see, our parameter that at the rate c will automatically be reflect here. Okay, so let me add the table in mid country. Okay, let's preview the report now. See, now it's not giving us any result because we have to pass the parameters. Okay, so we will pass. This is our in the where clause we have mentioned the country mid column. So we have to provide the country name here. Let's provide India view report. Okay. Now we should see the country wise data, India's details here, product wise details. Okay. If we put a UK, we should see UK data. So we are passing this parameter to our data set, and data set will bring those data from database to report. Okay. So now what we don't want to, every time we don't want to type this parameter manually. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a list here. From that list we should select the values. Okay, so how will there are two ways. Okay, let me show you first way. Okay, available values, specify values. So this is, there are three options. None means by default behavior that we have to manually input the values. Okay, the second one is a manually we are adding those value here. So let's add the value. Let's put India, and here this is just a label which will be see on the as a parameter name. Okay, this is the actual value. So actual value will be India only. We have to pass the actual value is India. Okay, we'll add US also, USA. We will add UK. Okay, so let's click on OK. Now let's preview our report. We are Now we see the list box list where we have the values. So let's click on USA. Now we can see USA data, India wise data. Okay, so this is all about creating the report with a single parameter. In the later session, what I'll explain you, I will try to explain you how to dynamically get the value in this list from the database. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.